Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platform. Today we will tell you important news about cryptocurrency Hedera. Hedera hashgraph opens $155 million DeFi fund. Dubbed the Crypto Economy Fund, the $155 million investment will be pulled to focus on projects leveraging Hedera's DLT technology and integrating it with decentralized finance, DeFi, use cases. While Hedera has been around since at least 2017 in the blockchain space, its latest foray into DeFi can be considered as a new beginning. Hedera's chain, with HBAR as its native token, is currently valued at $50 million in TVL, total value locked. The contention here is that Hedera cannot be ranked among other DeFi product levels since January 4, but this ceiling has so far held firm. The moving averages of 10 days, red, and 25 days, blue, have since seen an upside crossover, which keeps hopes alive of upcoming bullish momentum. Biggest losers for the third time this week, the bull of one day moved to being the biggest loser the next, as IOTX gave up some of Friday's gains. IOTX, which surged by as much as 15% yesterday, dropped by a similar percentage on Saturday, as traders appear to have secured profits. The price of IOTX United States dollar, which hit a high of $0.1195 yesterday, fell to an intraday low of $0.0965 today, as markets seem to be heading for support at $0.1120. Despite today's move, price strength still remains in overbought territory, and is tracking at 52.95 on the 14-day RSI. This could be music to the ears of longer-term bears who may see this as an opportunity to maintain their short positions. The next news, Russian rubles could become worthless as allies target central bank after SWIFT move. After the EU, Canada, and the US agreed to remove selected Russian banks from the SWIFT messaging system, the Russian central bank is to be targeted next, which could make rubles close to worthless. In a joint statement on Saturday evening, the allies said they commit to ensuring that the Russian banks are disconnected from the international financial system and harm their ability to operate globally. But what comes as a more unexpected and possibly more painful move is that the allies also said they commit to imposing restrictive measures that will prevent the Russian central bank from deploying its international reserves in ways that undermine the impact of our sanctions. According to Rob Person, an associate professor of international relations at the US Military Academy in West Point, this would mean that the central bank won't be able to access most of its reserves for currency interventions or exchange dollars and euros for rubles. Yesterday, the allies also committed to acting against the people and entities who facilitate the war in Ukraine and the harmful activities of the Russian government. Taking measures to limit the sale of citizenship, so-called golden passports that let wealthy Russians connected to the Russian government become citizens of these countries and gain access to their financial systems. Launching this coming week a transatlantic task force that will ensure the effective implementation of the financial sanctions. Employing sanctions and other financial and enforcement measures on additional Russian officials and elites close to the Russian government, as well as their families and their enablers to identify and freeze the assets they hold in the jurisdictions of the allies. On Sunday morning, Kyiv is reported to be still under Ukrainian control despite increased Russian efforts to take the capital of Ukraine. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Hedera, HBAR, a good investment? How much will Hedera cost in 2025? Or how much will Hedera cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Our team is determined to master the strategy as quickly as possible. The value of Hedera hashgraph is expected to continue rising as scarcity tends to drive the price up. Please note that there is some risk to any investment. Thus invest in what you can, before jumping to conclusions, and do as much research as possible. Hedera is currently worth 22 cents United States dollars with a market cap of $4,248,008,320, making it a 32 most valuable coin. How high can Hedera hashgraph go? The average Hedera hashgraph rate could reach 51 cents by the end of this year. If we take a 5-year plan, we calculate that the coin will easily reach $2.13. We have given an analytical forecast up to 2030 inclusive. Perhaps some of this will be useful to you. Hedera course forecast for 2022 and 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks. Hedera's price will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of 34 cents in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a maximum price of 34 cents for 2022. HBAR rate forecast 2023. The value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. HBAR is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of HBAR will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of HBAR ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024. It appears that by 2024, Hedera, HBAR, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2024, we can expect the average rate to be 64 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Hedera's maximum price could be up to 75 cents in 2024. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Hedera exchange rate forecasts for 2025. HBARs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Hedera, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $1.07. HBAR is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 92 cents, a minimum price of 90 cents, and a maximum price of $1.07. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2026. According to Hedera hashgraph's price target and technical analysis, in 2026, HBAR price is expected to cross the $2.13 average price level. Hedera hashgraph's expected price low is $2.06 by the end of this year. Moreover, HBAR may reach a maximum price level of $2.58. Hedera hashgraph price prediction 2027. Based on our in-depth technical analysis of past HBAR price data, the Hedera hashgraph price is forecast to be around $2.95 in 2027. Hedera hashgraph rate can peak at $3.58, with an average trading value of $3.04. Hedera hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2028. The Hedera hashgraph rate in 2028 is forecast to hit a low of $4.39. Hedera hashgraph could reach a maximum value of $5.11, with an average trading rate of $4.55 during 2028. Price forecasts for Hedera hashgraph for 2029. According to the forecast and technical analysis, in 2029, the Hedera hashgraph price is expected to hit a minimum price of $6.